Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14T and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the security and privacy. Let's tap on it. Now scroll down to the very bottom to find more security and privacy. And here scroll down again to find encryption and credentials. After tapping on it, you can see that almost at the very bottom of the list we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. If you've got the screen lock, you will have to enter to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.